So today we're gonna be practicing. So I'm gonna put these two flags. We're gonna pretend like they're obstacles we don't want to hit, and that's the tree right there that. And we're gonna make it land inside these flags right here.
Right on top of the log.
Yep. So let's give it a shot.
Yep. Good job. No! Hey! Get ready for your wedge. Don't put it all the way in there. It's very little. That's it. That's good. Are you checking both sides? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, watch out!
Oh. Damn. Well, as you can see, missed the target by quite a bit. Good thing we're not nowhere near any houses or anything.
That's what
that would not been no bueno.
That's what the woods are for. Practice.
Oh look. Did I cut too much?
Yeah, it's broken. Broke off right there. It's rotten and dead, so that's what they do. Yeah.
Pretty straight there, right?
Yeah, just check both sides next time. Like, you probably should have stopped like right here.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm just wedged.
and just wedged.
Well,
Yeah, that's all right. Next.
well, there you go, everyone. There's a bit of my fails today. You know, I guess today wasn't the day for me, but you know, the important thing is that I learned, and I'll keep trying, and you know, never stop. So, it's the important thing, right? We all learned something important.